Alrighty guys, welcome to a new video. I'm here with my kiddos and my wife and I pulled off a big old surprise. We are here at, I don't know if you can see it, Helios Grand Hotel. We're staying here for the night, and then tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow?
Epic Universe.
We're doing Epic Universe tomorrow. You excited, Charlotte?
Yeah.
Jordan, you excited? Mm-hmm. Yeah? So we made a big surprise out of it. We kept it secret, but it's all revealed now. Tomorrow we're going to Epic Universe, but tonight we're staying here at Helios Grand Hotel. So we're gonna head up to our room now and check it out. So.
And we're going to Super Nintendo World tomorrow.
Super Nintendo World.
First.
First?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right. We are all checked in. Charlotte, you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, I think we're heading to our room.
Our room isn't that high. It's on the third floor.
Our room is on the third floor?
Yeah, it's not that high.
Okay, well,
But it is.
that's good enough.
It is good.
It's good.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It's better than the first floor.
It's better than the first floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, isn't that cool, the projection mapping? It's pretty neat. This hotel has the new hotel smell.
Press this button.
Sure, push it. I don't know, which way? 360, so we gotta go
Wait,
this way.
360, 360.
360.
That's easy to remember.
That's easy to remember. Hello.
360 is.
Charlotte, you leading the way?
No, I'm rushing.
You're rushing? Why are you rushing? The hotel room's not going to go anywhere. We're going. Oh, we're on the Harry Potter side.
Yay, my favorite.
Harry Potter-ish side, I should say. Almost right here, Charlotte. Where are you going? Right here.
I knew it. Okay.
All right. Remember, I told you guys the surprises isn't over.
Oh, whoa. Oh, God.
Go ahead. Careful, Charlotte. Get your bag around the corner there. There you go. All right.
Oh my. Got it. Oh. Corner. Mom. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is me and Connor. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's in here? Like.
I think that's another connecting room.
Wait, hold on. This is the coolest thing. Hold on.
Told you the surprise wasn't over.
Oh my God.
Look how big this room is. Look at this view.
Look at this view, guys.
Whoa.
Look at this view.
There's not enough beds. Oh, Jordan,
Yeah,
you
there's
can
plenty
see
of
Seal
beds.
from here.
There's another couch.
Oh, Dad, look at Curse of the World.
Yep. Isn't this view unreal?
This is so cool.
Oh, Dad, I see flight. What's it called?
Hiccup wing
Wing gliders.
Hiccup's wing gliders. The
Yeah, I
poster.
see it.
Yep.
Oh, I just saw it running.
We are all checked in here. This is room, what is this, 360?
Yes.
Room 360, and this is the How to Train Your Dragon suite. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough tour with you guys, kind of show you everything. Over here, you kind of got your little mini kitchenette area with a microwave. You have a mini fridge down here. Looks like some storage here. Got a Keurig up here. You got your ice bucket. Like I said, microwave. And we'll kind of go around this way. Very interestingly shaped room. Over here is kind of like a lounge area. Does this fold out to a bed?
It does.
This does fold out to a bed. So there's a couch bed in here. Nice big screen TV with a shelf. I thought that was a soundbar at first, but it's a shelf. And there is a tablet touchscreen over here that they use for, if you want room service or what have you, that's here. And let's get into the cool part. Here is the How to Train. Look at this door first. Let's do a grand entry here. Look at this cool Viking-themed door. This is super cool. Unfortunately, the knocker isn't. It's like welded, so we can't like annoy our kids with the knockers. But here is a look at the adorable How to Train Your Dragon suite here. You've got these super cute Viking beds, which is this is actually wood. So there's a look at those. And you have over here again, there's another tablet here. You have this cute Viking lantern, I guess you could call it, here for some lighting. And then here's a look at the mural. Up here on the backdrop, you have Toothless and a couple of the, they're over here, the Light Furies over here.
Dart, Pouncer,
Pouncer.
and Rough Runner.
And there's Rough Runner over there in the corner. Super cute mural. Hiccup, or excuse me, Toothless is being all smiley. And here's the Light Fury. So, super cute room. They have their own, if I turn around here, there is a little, I'm guessing this is like a little dresser. Yeah, it opens up to a dresser. So, kids can put their clothes in here. Got drawers in here. So, there's a little dresser for the kids. Again, very Viking kind of themed. These actually do work. Those knockers actually do work. So, there's a look at the adorable How to Train Your Dragon kids room. We were messing with the kids and we were like, we're going to sleep in here.
Yes, we
So, all right, let's spin around here. Let's go over to the bathroom next. Check out the master bathroom here. You got 2 sinks. Nice big mirror. I'm not afraid to be in the mirror. You have a vanity mirror over here.
Very important.
Yep. And then here is a look at the shower. Standard size shower. The amenities, looks like you got body wash, conditioner, shampoo, all right there. And of course, everybody knows that follows us. Toilet, very important in our hotel room tours. So there's the toilet.
Just need some art.
Yeah. So, all right, and here is a look at the master bedroom, and this is a queen, right? If I remember correctly, queen size bed, queen or king, I can't remember.
I think it's a king.
I think it's
a king.
Yeah, it's a big bed. Yeah. Now that I'm looking at it,
Yeah.
definitely a king.
That looks like our bed.
Backdrop mural over here, and you do have side tables over here with USB-C, regular USB, and a couple plugs. There's actually 2 of them over here. And here is the closet. Got some hangers in here, luggage rack. Safe is over there in the corner.
The huge.
Yep.
There's your temperature control.
Close that.
Very important. Themed trash can is even themed.
And over here you got your TV, dresser, lots of dresser drawers. Got 3 on each side, so 6 total. And you got this little chair, and Mr. Jordan over here is just taking this view in. Pretty awesome view, isn't it, Jordan?
I could be here for hours.
You could be here for hours. Yeah, I could too. When I was here for the media preview, I could just stand here and look at this view for hours.
Can't wait for it to be nighttime.
Yeah, it's going to be gorgeous at night, but just look at this view. Absolutely amazing view of Celestial Park. Over here, obviously, you have Dark Universe. Got Super Nintendo World over there. Kronos right there. Over here is Berk, How to Train Your Dragon. And then over there, literally right there, is Potter. So there goes Stardust Racers.
Can't wait to that night just glowing through.
It's going to be pretty cool. So anyways, guys, I think that's pretty much it. That's a room tour. Again, this is room number 360. This is one of the How to Train Your Dragon suites here at Helios Grand Hotel. All right, guys, it's nighttime, and look at this view from our room. I will never get over this view from Helios of Epic Universe. Like, ever. I could sit here and look at this all night long.